In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the critical path in Smartsheet step by step using the built-in Gantt view. If you're managing projects, timelines, or dependencies in Smartsheet, understanding the critical path is absolutely essential because it shows you which tasks directly impact your project's finish date. Any delay on the critical path will delay the entire project. This quick walkthrough is perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet that contains your project plan. Make sure the sheet is already set up as a Gantt sheet with start dates, end dates, durations, and dependencies in place. The critical path feature only works correctly when your tasks are properly linked. Once your sheet is open, switch to the Gantt view if it's not already selected. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the Gantt chart timeline. Look closely at the thin vertical divider line between the grid on the left and the Gantt timeline on the right. Click on that thin line, then drag it toward the left. This gives you more space to clearly see your Gantt bars and task relationships. Adjust it until you're comfortable viewing the full timeline without scrolling too much. This step makes the critical path much easier to identify visually, especially on larger projects. Now that your Gantt chart is clearly visible, move your attention to the top right corner of the Smartsheet interface. You'll see several view and display options here. Look for the option labeled Show Critical Path. Once you click this, Smartsheet will automatically highlight the critical path tasks directly on your Gantt chart. These tasks usually appear in a distinct color, making them stand out from non-critical tasks. What you're seeing now is the sequence of tasks that determine the overall duration of your project. If any of these tasks are delayed, your project end date will move as well. This makes it incredibly easy to identify where you need to focus your attention, allocate resources, or monitor progress more closely. You can scroll through your sheet and instantly see which tasks are flexible and which ones are not. If something on the critical path needs to change, Smartsheet will dynamically recalculate the path based on your updates, as long as your dependencies are set correctly. This is extremely useful for scenario planning and schedule optimization. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully found and displayed the critical path in Smartsheet using the Gantt view. This one feature alone can dramatically improve how you manage deadlines and keep your projects on track. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.